Oh, Mommy, scoot back a little so she can see you. Are you driving? Are you driving? Yeah, where are you going?
Let's go.
Vroom. Do you have on your seatbelt? Can you honk the horn? Daddy, show me where the horn's at.
Here I come. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
You like your new toy? Mommy loves you. Yes. Say thank you, Mommy. And Daddy. Say thank you.
Let's visit our animal friends.
Change gears. Can you change gears?
Slow down.
Good job.